Hello everyone, it's Anand. Welcome back. I hope you are doing great. So, a recap, we have created our lab on VMware Player. We have two virtual machines, one with Active Directory, licensing server, and certificate authority. We have another VM which is RDS server, which has all the roles, including the session host server. We have finished installing all the roles. We have added certificate to our RDS farm. We have installed RD web client in the last video. And we have also configured local DNS and IIS to publish the web page of web client. In this video, I'm going to create security group and few users who will be member of those security groups. I'm creating these security groups because when I create collection, I want certain security groups to access certain collections. And then we are going to test if connecting to those remote app works fine. So let's go. I am on my domain controller. Let's go to Active Directory users and computers. So I've created OU lab and then admin groups and users. Let me create groups and users. I am on my RDS server and on collection. I'll click on task, create session collection. It says before we begin, we must have users and group in Active Directory who will have access to this collection, and also at least one RDS session host server, which is that is not assigned to a collection already. So click next. Let's give it a name, browser. Next, we have one host server. Let's add it. Next, we need to add a group. So I have created a group remote app, and I'll remove domain user. Next, enable profile disk, and then we need to give the profile disk location. So let's create a share folder. In production, this location should be on a file server, mostly on DFS server. Next, okay, let's review. The collection name is browser. The group, everyone is who is member of group underscore remote app, and in my case, group underscore Chrome and group underscore I. They are the member of this group, and this is the host server. User profile disk is enabled, and then we click on create. Let's close this dialog box. Let's come to this collection browser. Let's click on edit properties, user group, who can access this collection. Let's configure this session properties, index disconnected session in an hour, active session limit, I'll leave it never, idle session limit, I'll make it 1 hour, in the disconnected session in 2 hour. When a session limit is reached or a connection is broken, disconnect from the session, enable automatic reconnection, delete temporary folder on exit, use temporary folder per session. Let's go to security. Let's leave it default. Load balancing, we have only one server. If we had multiple servers here. It could do load balancing. Client settings. Let's remove redirection for audio, plug and play, drives. I'll also remove printer. So let's keep only clipboard so that copy paste and works on remote. Let's configure user profile disk and also check the folder permission. So we have this folder remote app. Let's go to properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder. Let me just put a dollar sign here to to hide this share. Let's remove everyone. Let me add the host server, change object types, add computer, full control. Let's also add local administrators, full control, apply, okay, okay. Let's go to security, edit. Let's add server here, host server, full control, administrator, apply, okay, close. Let's copy this share path, properties, sharing, enable user profile disk. Let me put this share path, click apply. Okay, so that looks good. Let's publish remote app. So I'm going to remote app programs, task, publish remote app programs. Okay, so it has provided me list of programs that we can publish. Let's publish Google Chrome. So I'll select Google Chrome, next, and I'll click on publish. Close. Let's publish Internet Explorer. Okay, I don't see in this list. So let's click on add, program files, Internet Explorer, I explore. Okay, next, publish, close. Let's check the properties for this app one by one. So I'll right click on Google Chrome, edit properties, general parameter. For now, I don't need to define any command line parameter. On user assignment, I'm going to select only a specified users and group, and then I'm going to add group Chrome, apply. Rest I'm going to keep it default. Okay. Let's come to iExplorer, Internet Explorer, right click, edit properties, user assignment, only a specified groups, users and group, add group underscore I, okay, apply, okay. Let's verify if user can access those remote apps. So let's open Google Chrome. Let's go to remote.apnasysadminpro.com. Okay, so this page looks fine, and also there is no certificate error. Let's log in using Chrome, Chrome user 1. So Chrome user 1 can see only Chrome, Google Chrome, not Internet Explorer. Let's click on this Google Chrome and then see if everything is working fine. I don't need microphone, printer, file transfer. Don't ask me again. Allow. Okay, so this looks great. Let me start Chrome incognito window so that I can log in using Chrome I, remote.apna sysadminpro.com. Let me log in using I user 1. So I user can see only Internet Explorer. Let's start. Don't ask me again for connection on this computer. Allow. Okay, so this looks great. Both the remote app is working fine. Let's come to remote desktop services server manager, browser, and then on the connection side, you will see all the connections. If we go to remote desktop gateway manager, we can see all the connections in the monitoring part. Let me know how useful did you find this series. Please do comment, and if you have any feedback, please do leave those feedbacks in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.